Let's make a sword. Secure the end of your balloon to the tip of the balloon pump. Make sure you hold it down while you pump up that balloon with air so that it stays securely on the pump. And keep those fingers pinched when you take it off of the balloon pump. Now give yourself a couple inches of room. You'll pinch and create a little tail so that you have some room to tie off the balloon just like this. And then at the other end of the balloon, you'll have just a tiny little bit of room like this. Now you will head back down to the tied off end of your balloon and you'll make a sandwich like this. Make sure that's not too big or too small. You'll want it about this big and you'll do a twist. Make sure the left hand goes away from you and the right hand goes towards you. Perfect. Now that is going to be our handle. Now you will flip the balloon and take the long end, fold it over, and put it through the hole that you just made with that sandwich twist. You'll push it all the way through until you have about this much room left, and now you've got yourself a sword. That is the handle, so you will hold it from the bottom, just like this. Perfect, and now you made yourself a sword.